This might be the best budget pre-built keyboard I've ever reviewed. So what I'm talking about is the AULA F75 from EpoMaker. And it's a 75% gasket-mounted mechanical keyboard, which looks so clean with this light blue color theme. Not only does it look clean, but it also can be connected in 3 different ways. It can be connected wired Bluetooth and wireless with this dongle, and has adjustable feet with 2 levels, a multimedia control knob, controllable RGB modes and colors. And it's fully gasket-mounted, hot-swappable with pre-lubed Reaper 5-pin switches. All the stabilizers are pre-lubed and sound amazing stock. The keyboard has 5 layers of sound-dampening foam and comes with accessories. The case feels very premium and doesn't feel plastic at all. These PBT keycaps in cherry profile are probably my favorite theme yet. And if you want to try out this keyboard yourself, you'll find it at EpoMaker's website or in the link in my bio. And huge thanks to EpoMaker for letting me try out this keyboard.